Hi friends, Tina did it here and welcome back to my channel. Wait, I know, I promised you a cactus DIY, but this I couldn't wait to share with you. So we're gonna have to save the cactus for the next video. But here I made a barrel, or some people call it like a whiskey barrel, I think it's called. At first, I really wanted to find a seagull to put a seagull on top of it, but I couldn't find a seagull. So for now, I'm just going to use it for my candle. But I made this using all Dollar Tree items, so if you want to see how I made this, just keep on watching. This project was super easy, and the best part is it costs less than like $5 to make. So here's what I did. I got these planters from Dollar Tree, and they're the ones that have like the brown on the side, if that makes sense. You can go ahead and add weights to it. So if you want to do that, this is a time to go ahead and add stones or rocks or even pebbles inside the planter. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take the tag off and I'm going to glue them together. And before I forget to mention, if you like videos that are straight on point and cute and simple projects like this one, and definitely affordable, be sure to subscribe and click that bell button so you're notified every time I upload a video. And if you're new here, welcome, welcome. It's great to have you here. Now be sure to subscribe and click that bell if you love DIYs just like this one. Now, once they're glued together, I'm going to take my chain. Do you remember the plastic chain that I got from Home Depot? And I used it on my side table a few videos ago. It's 70 cents a foot. So I'm going to, this is just a piece that I had remaining from that table, but I'm going to go ahead and spray paint it any color you'd like, or you can leave it white if you'd like. I do recommend applying some Mod Podge on top of that spray paint or sanding it down a little bit before spray painting it. And then now it's time to glue it onto our barrel. So going in with hot glue once again, I'm just going to wrap the chain around. And is that all? No, that's not all. We're gonna add some seashells to this. Of course, you can add any size seashells, but yeah, so take the idea, get creative. You don't have to do the chain if you don't want to. You could even do a net if you'd like. But yeah, so I'm just going to go in with a few seashells. But you can definitely add marbles to this. Just take the idea, get creative, make it your own. Add tons of details around on the chain if you'd like. But I'm going to put my seashells and I'll be right back. And are you ready for this? Here it is. I am so pleased with the way this turned out. It's simple but adorable. I love projects like this where it's easy to make, but it looks amazing. I love the way it turned out. Now, like I said, I wish I had a seagull to sit on top, but for now, I'm just going to use it as like a candle holder, I guess. But yeah, let me know what you think down in the comments. You know, I'd love to hear from you, so be sure to stop by the comment section and let me know what you think. And if you like this video, be sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe for more fun DIYs. And be sure to share with your friends. Thank you all for watching. Stay safe, and I'll see you all next time. Bye!